Rainwater falling directly onto your skylight can cause leaks and damage, so installing a gutter on your second-story roof to protect it is actually a smart move. Okay, here's the deal. Skylights are super vulnerable to water damage because they often sit flat or at a low angle, which means water can pool or splash right onto them. Adding a gutter above the skylight helps catch that rainwater and directs it away, which can prevent annoying leaks and even stop mold or rot around the frame. You want to make sure the gutter is properly sized and installed with good slope so water flows smoothly without clogging. Also, keep gutters clean. Clogged gutters near a skylight can cause overflow and damage. If you live somewhere that gets snow or ice, the gutter can help reduce ice buildup on the skylight edges, which otherwise might crack the glass or frame. And remember, sealing and flashing around the skylight should be checked regularly because even with a gutter, those are your main defense against leaks. So yeah, adding that gutter isn't overkill, it's more like insurance to save you from costly repairs down the road. One of the biggest mistakes people make with skylight protection is ignoring water drainage issues. If gutters aren't installed right or get clogged, you might still get leaks. The fix? Hire someone who knows how to size and slope gutters correctly and clean them regularly. Another common problem is poor flashing around the skylight, which lets water sneak in no matter what. Make sure flashing is inspected yearly and replaced if worn. Lastly, some folks think skylights don't need maintenance because they look fine, but neglecting seals and cleaning leads to mold or frame damage over time. So keep up on inspections and resealing when needed. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff about gutter installations and skylight protection. Plus, it helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for quality work, making those home upgrades a smooth experience for everyone.